both. Pero if I were to choose, siguro, it would be an honor na bigyan ng acting award. Yung syempre, yung talaga yung focus namin as actors. And ako dream ko rin na sana balang araw, makuha ko rin ng isang acting award. That's a dream ko.
Okay, go Isnir.
Box office or acting award? Siguro Philippine Boxing Team. Para doon ako bagay. Hindi po siguro ngayon, of course, pinaka-dream ko po yung box office. Kasi syempre, quantity, ganyan, mas maraming taong tatakilig at wala, masabi lang pag maraming nakakapanood ng craft mo at the rest will follow naman talaga if mapapatunayan mo yung sarili mo. Pero sobrang layo pa ng pangarap ko na yan at sana naman talaga maka-box office ako.
Ako naman, my dream talaga is box office. Kasi for me, that means that the whole movie did well. That the whole project as a whole, whether it's because of the production, if it's because of the actors, actresses, the directors, the art dev, everyone behind the scenes, it means that they all work together and the people love it. And doon ko talaga malalaman na okay yung ginagawa namin na as a whole, nare-recognize kami, box office talaga yung important.
Actually, pareho din. Pero syempre kasi yung acting award, parang validation din sa mga pinag-iratan mo. With regards to box office, syempre, it's for the Philippine cinema. Gusto mo talaga mag-drive yung industry natin. Gusto mo mag-give back sa production, sa audience natin, o bigyan sila ng magandang pelikula na tatakbuhin nila. Kaya yun, I would say box office.